In this video we are going to learn how to prepare the German pasta, Spätzle. Ingredients required for making the pasta batter: flour 250 grams, eggs 3 numbers, milk 100 milliliter and salt 5 grams. For sautéing, chopped fresh parsley 50 grams, butter 100 grams and salt as required. Whisk flour, salt and egg together. Later add milk and whisk gently to form a smooth batter. The texture has to be as shown here in the video. It is always good to rest the batter for 30 minutes. Take a saucepan, fill 3/4 of the pan with water, add a teaspoon of salt and allow it to boil. Now take a colander or Spätzle maker and hold it on top of the boiling water. Scoop the smooth batter into the colander and gently press it through the little holes using back of the ladle. Allow the pasta to cook for about 3 minutes, or until the pasta floats on top of the boiling water. Now you can remove the Spätzle. And sauté the Spätzle in melted butter. And top it with chopped fresh parsley. The German Spätzle is ready to eat.